Attention, AI developers. If you've been struggling with your model's unpredictable outputs, the solution might be simpler than you think. Temperature settings are often overlooked, yet they hold the key to unlocking the full potential of your AI creations. By paying attention to this parameter, you can tailor your model to suit different scenarios effectively. For example, if you're drafting an academic piece, a low temperature keeps your arguments on track and free from ambiguity. However, during those creative brainstorming sessions where fresh ideas are crucial, a higher temperature unleashes your model's imaginative side, generating unexpected insights and perspectives. Experimenting with varying temperature settings might reveal the sweet spot for your specific project. The balance between clarity and creativity can significantly enhance user experience and satisfaction. Developers often find themselves pleasantly surprised by how such a minor tweak can lead to significant improvements. So, next time you grapple with generic outputs or chaotic results, remember to revisit that small but mighty temperature setting. Your attention to detail here could be a game changer. As you refine and experiment, share those experiences with the community. Collaboration often sparks deeper understanding. Stay ahead in the world of AI by embracing this parameter, transforming your models into the powerful tools they are meant to be. The beauty of AI lies in its adaptability, but not all settings come with a clear explanation. Understanding temperature can seem daunting at first, yet once you grasp its significance, you'll find it becomes one of your most valuable tools. Imagine crafting user experiences that resonate. With the right temperature, your models can engage and inspire. Perhaps there are additional parameters lurking in the shadows, waiting for your discovery. The journey of an AI developer is filled with experimentation and innovation at its core, leading to breakthroughs that shape the future of technology. In conclusion, by mastering the temperature setting, developers can unlock a world of tailored outputs that cater to their specific needs. Embrace this knowledge, experiment boldly, and share your discoveries with fellow innovators as you all strive to advance the fascinating realm of AI together.